Welcome back. We created this custom item layout that contains one image view and one text view. Now we need to create our data class or our model class. Create a new Kotlin class, select data class, and here I'll name it as sport model. Select data class, and here we go. This is our data class. In Kotlin, a data class is a concise way to create classes whose primary purpose is to hold data. Data classes automatically generate useful methods such as equals, hashcode, toString, and copy methods based on the properties declared in the primary constructor. And back to our card item layout. We have two properties, the image view that represents an integer and the text view that represents a string. So here in the primary constructor of the data class, I need to declare two properties, one of type int that represents an image view and one that represents the text view of type string. Val image card, it's of type int, and val text, it's of type string. And to be specific, I can use sports image, and here I can be more specific, sport name. The first property used to store an integer value representing the image associated with the card in the recycler view. It could be a resource identifier such as r.drawable.someImage, for example, football, pointing to the image resource in the project. The second property holds a string value representing some text associated with the sport card, and it will be the sport name. Overall, data classes in Kotlin provide a concise and effective way to define and manipulate classes that are primarily used for holding data.